Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases today we will discuss a very important case on penny stock additions under section 68. The name of the case is Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus Shrimati RENU AGGARWAL, and this case has been reported in 456 ITR at page number 249. The matter has been decided by Honorable Supreme Court and the date of the judgment is 3rd July 2023. As all we know, whenever the addition of the assessee for bogus penny stock long-term capital gain is done, then whenever the notice is issued or the reasons are issued to the assessee, then in most of the cases the department only gives some modus operandi how the bogus long-term capital gains are booked by various people, but the concrete information is not given to the assessee. Like when the search is made on the entry operators and some documents are recovered from that entry operator, then the assessee case should be reopened only in a case when some documents relating to the assessee or at least the name of the assessee should be found at that entry operator place. Even when the entry operator makes the statement, in that statement, in the name of the beneficiaries, sometimes the name of the assessee is also not there. And in the absence of any negative remark about the script in which the assessee deals by the Securities and Exchange Board of India, or any negative remark from the company whose shares are bought and sold by the assessee about the shareholder, then in the absence of all these things, if the additions are made just on the basis of the presumptions and by explaining some common modus operandi of incurring the or availing the bogus long-term capital gain by various peoples, the additions of the assessee should not be made. This was the case which was actually in the case of the assessee. When the assessment was going on, the addition under section 68 was made in the hands of the assessee. The assessee pleaded that my name is not there in the statement of the entry operator. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has not made any negative remark about the shares of the company in which the assessee has dealt. The company of which the assessee has purchased the shares has not given any negative comment about the shareholders like the assessee in this case. So in the absence of all these things, the additions cannot be made in the hands of the assessee. In the present case, already the Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals, the Honorable ITAT, the Honorable High Court has given relief to the assessee. But as all we know, as a ritual, the department files all the appeals against the orders in the next forum without going into the merit of the case. And in most of the cases, the fate of the appeals of the department are very demoralizing for the department. And in the present case also, the Supreme Court dismissed the special leave petition of the department by saying that in the absence of any incriminating material, any solid proof which has been discovered from the search in the premises of the entry operator. So in the absence of all these information or in the absence of any negative report of Sebi about the company, the addition made in the hand of the assessee under section 68 for the penny stock should not stand. So accordingly, the Supreme Court deleted the addition and upheld the order of the learned CIT appeal, ITAT and the High Court. Friends, this is a very welcome judgment on the penny stock which can help the assessee a lot. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus Shrimati RENU AGGARWAL. The case has been reported in 456 ITR at page number 249. The matter has been decided by Supreme Court and the date of the judgment is 3rd July 2023. Thank you, friends.